Our task was to design and create an automated system to test transistors and find their DC-IV characteristics. To do so, we have used National Instruments LabVIEW. The transistor that we tested was the BC107, which is an NPN bipolar transistor. The DC-IV characteristics is a plot of the current flowing through the collector into the emitter against the potential difference across the collector and emitter. The MIDAC acts as the interface between the computer and our circuit. Using LabVIEW, you can program the MIDAC's outputs to both generate and measure signals. The timing of these outputs is how we can test our transistors. Our circuit uses a summing amplifier to change the digital output of the MIDAC to an input signal for the transistor, which steps up in 1 volt increments to 16 volts. This signal is then fed into the transistor. The current, ICE, flowing through this input is measured using the digital multimeter inside the MIDAC. The biasing of the transistor is done using a set voltage that is produced by the MIDAC travelling through the 390 kilo ohms resistor in order to turn the transistor on.
The purpose of the resistor is to supply a set current, since the BC107 is a current-controlled current source. The automation of the system is done using National Instruments LabVIEW. Using a for loop, we have the MIDAC stepping IBE from 0 to 10 microamps in steps of 2 microamps. For each step of IBE, there is another for loop that is used to sweep VCE. Inside this loop, there is also a DAC assist that is used to measure the current flowing from the collector to the emitter ICE. LabVIEW allows us to take measurements and automatically use the results to produce graphs and charts. These graphs and charts are shown on the front panel of LabVIEW, making it quick and simple to view them. 2 of the graphs on the front panel show the results of ongoing tests. To test a new transistor, all you have to do is pull out the current transistor and place it with a new one. In conclusion, we have demonstrated that it is possible to create an automated test system for transistors. The system we have designed could be used on a large scale in industry to save time and money at the test stage.